What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I want to talk about how we can create a survey form for a food delivery business. I already did a video in one of my previous videos about how we can create a survey form using HTML and CSS. But this time there will not be any coding. We can create a simple survey form using one free tool. The name of the tool is Microsoft Form. So if you want to discover how, make sure you stay to the end of this video. So let's get started. Before to start, some important words about the importance of surveys. So surveys are important for every business because help us to do a market research, help us to get feedback from existing customers, help us to find the information about the product or service that we want to launch, and many more. To access Microsoft Forms, you need to have a Microsoft Office installed on your computer. From there, just select Microsoft Form. To start a new survey, click New Form, and we are ready to start our new survey. The first type of question that you can use is like, do you like to cook? And it will use choice feature. The first option is yes. The second option is no. From here, we can go to the second question. It will be a question like how often do you cook? And again, it will be a choice type question. So we select choice. The first option is every day. The second option is 3 times per week. If you want to add extra options, from the add option button, you just click and we enter never. And we add another option, other. From here, we can make this question mandatory by selecting required. And this question, it will be like mandatory. From the next question, it will be a text type question. If other, explain why. We can increase the space where the text go. Now we're gonna add another question. This time it will be a star rating. And the question will be like this. From 1 to 5, how much do you like to cook? The next type of question, again it will be a choice question. It will be a simple question like Do you find cooking difficult? Have two options, yes and no. Now we're gonna to the sixth question. It will be a question like it will be a choice question, and how often do you order online? Again, first option, every day. Three times per week. We had another option like never. Another option, other. This question we can make it like a drop down. We select drop down, and as you can see, it's a drop down question. The next type of question, it will be a choice question. How much are you willing to pay for a meal? The first question is $10. Second is $15. We had another option, 20, and another option, $25. And now the last question. It will be a net promoter score, and the question will be like that. If the price is attractive, are you willing to order? So this is our survey form. Very simple questions. From here, you could click the preview button. You can preview how survey is looking. If you style, from the style button, just click and choose one of the layouts that you like. Example, this one, or this one, or this one. You can add a music background. We select the music. And from the last button, we can find the responses. That's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions and suggestions regarding my video, please leave them in the comments below. Bye and see you in the next video.